Happy Halloween! Today we've got a cracking wee vlog for you. What are we going to do today, Natalie?
Lots of Halloween fun, so we're gonna face paint.
Paint.
Chris has never done pumpkins before.
No, never carved pumpkins, so if you're watching this, Mum and Dad, this is all your fault.
I love carving pumpkins, it's like my favourite thing to do, and all week I've just been like, we need to do them, so...
I mean, I wouldn't know because I've never done it, but I'm willing to give it a try. First we're going to do our face paint, and then we're going to do some pumpkins. And I've got my Oogie Boogie t-shirt on for Halloween. There's your Halloween, well, I suppose this is sort of Halloween-y.
Well, I've got
and you can't see her tights, but she's wearing stripy tights.
My Earthbound Silent Hill. Silent Hill is pretty scary.
Like Silent Hill is.
I also have this on that has skeletons on it.
Shout out to Earthbound Clothing if you're watching.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks, Emma, for your amazing clothes.
It's pretty cool. So, do you know what you're going to do for me? Are you going to tell me, or are you just going to leave it a surprise?
I'm just going to do it.
Oh, guys, I don't even know what I'm going to do for Natalie. I've been sitting just painting pops and stuff, and I thought, I don't even know what I'm going to do for her yet.
We've had a week to think about this. I was actually going to do the Joker on you, but I thought that was an easy way out.
That is.
So,
without further ado, let's do it.
Yeah, let's try to get this sorted.
Yeah, okay.
So we've got some face paint from Snazzaroo.
Do you need any water or anything?
Yeah, I've got some here,
right, okay.
I think so anyway. How do you work these? How to use: add a little water to a brush or sponge and have hours of imaginative play.
I mean, I don't know about hours of fun, but...
Oh, red? Do you think I should go for red?
No, you do whatever you want.
Well,
oh, you're going straight to black?
Obviously.
You're going to make me like a cat or something?
Yes. Yes, I am.
You make me Jack Skeleton?
Yes.
No, you're not actually.
This is exactly what Jack Skeleton
you're gonna make, oh, I know who you're going to make me.
Yeah.
Are you going to make me Captain Spaulding?
No.
I can't tell.
Again, you don't know who Captain Spaulding looks like.
Huh?
If this is what you're looking at,
I'm not too sure.
Reference, because he should be blue.
Right, I don't know then. I've not got a clue. What colour? Oh, is it just a crazy pumpkin? Alright. So I'm a crazy pumpkin, guys, and the reason I guessed that is Natalie reached for the orange.
That's why I did that last, because otherwise you wouldn't really know.
Hard to sort of see myself there, but there you have it, guys. Natalie's just done me. You're not going to come sit join me. Natalie's just done me as a pumpkin.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. What do you think, guys? I think it looks pretty cool.
Spooky.
Right, we'll be back in just a minute, and I'm going to do Natalie's. Right, guys, so obviously Natalie's done my face, and now it's my turn to do Natalie's face. So let's get it on. Right, and literally I've just looked it up there on Google, so I just need to have a wee look at it again. Right, that's good by me.
Literally no planning.
Well, you know me. What are you laughing at? I think she already knows what it's going to be.
I do. Did we go see this earlier?
No, the way I thought of it.
I think we went and seen this in the cinema the other day.
Yes, I did.
Chris didn't like it.
No, we went and seen Frankenstein in the cinema. The one with what's his name?
Benedict Cumberbatch. You almost says it on PG version.
Okay, sorry guys.
And Johnny Lee Miller.
Yeah, it was too artsy for me, if I'm honest.
I loved it.
Natalie did like it, but I'm not really a Frankenstein guy anyway. Natalie's really into Frankenstein, but we got it for free on Sky, so it was worth nothing.
The cinema was empty.
Aye, it was empty.
Hi, it's me, old Greg.
So we,
Have you ever drank Baileys from a shoe?
so we think Natalie's is now dry and it's time to add...
Do you know he's painted the inside of my ear?
Tell me something like that.
What?
Go, show them that side. Keep going closer. See it? What? I mean, is that all you need to do, guys? Look at that. That's all right.
Why does it look like the Hogwarts breakfast is about to come over my forehead?
Guys, don't you think your lines in the forehead just a wee bit much, maybe? Okay. What do you think, guys? Do you like Natalie's makeup? I say it's done.
Really cute.
Let me see. Ah, that looks cool. The move's a wee bit wonky, but...
Can't believe you painted into my ears.
So what do you think, guys? Who done the better job?
I think you did.
Nah, I think yours is pretty cool. Leave us a wee comment below and let us know who done the better job. And now, we're going to get on with carving some pumpkins. So, we're back with our pumpkins, and we've not carved them yet. We thought we'd just show you, basically I've got a large pumpkin and Natalie's just got like a baby sized pumpkin.
Because I'm a baby.
And then Natalie went and bought these pumpkin carving kits.
You go one each.
They actually look pretty cool.
They're just from Poundland.
Aye, looks like they've got little wee triangle things you can cut out, look pretty sweet. A big hand for scooping it as well. So I don't think we're going to film any of this for you. What we're just going to do, because I think it's going to be quite messy, we're just going to go into, pop it in the kitchen, we're going to smash it, and then we're going to come back out, show you, I mean look at Nick in my hands, show you our pumpkins, and then you can tell us who done the best pumpkin. Right guys, that's us just back from doing our first ever, she ruined it almost. For the first time I've ever done pumpkins, and me and Natalie together have ever done pumpkins. So maybe I'll just show them. 3, 2, 1. I mean, after looking at Natalie's, I think mine's a bit understated.
I like yours, yours is cute.
Well, I quite like him too, you know,
It's like a traditional pumpkin.
nice wee sad pumpkin. I think it reminds me of like an American style pumpkin. You know what I mean? Right, so we're going to try something here. We've got these wee lights here, and what we're going to do, if I can find the remote, you know where the TV remote is, babe?
The big one.
So we're just going to turn the TV off, right, and then we're going to get in darkness, and we're going to see how they look with the light inside them. Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Right, let's see what yours looks like. Oh, that looks amazing, man, in the dark, doesn't it?
I love them.
Right, I really do like that. Right, I should have been prepared, obviously. This is why you'll never see me on TV. Well, I mean, I suppose I'm on TV now. Right, let's see. No. Oh. This is a good idea, these wee things, instead of candles, because they'll stay burning all night, basically.
You don't have to worry about a fire hazard or kids getting hurt. Oh my goodness, how cute is he?
How cool is he all lit up?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I love him. He's amazing. Look at the two of them. Two of them are absolutely amazing. I don't know why it's no... Let's see if we can get you to focus a wee bit better. Ah, there we go. If you could bring it a wee bit closer to the camera. There we are. How cool is that, guys?
I love them.
Aye, they're amazing. So guys, that's been our Halloween video.
I've had so much fun.
Aye, it's brilliant. It is really wet here and it's so windy. Unfortunately, it's 5 to 5. I've not had any kids coming for trick-or-treating because of what's going on. Obviously, we don't think we're going to get anybody. We got some sweets just in case, and we're going to put these at the front door.
I don't know if we are going to put them at the front door actually. I'm going to maybe try. I'm just scared with the wind.
Well, we'll see what happens, I suppose. Right guys, we hope you had fun and we hope you enjoyed it, because we definitely did.
Hope you have a happy Halloween.
Hope you have a happy Halloween.
Are
Give
you-
it. Sorry, go.
Are you going to do pumpkins next year?
Yeah, we'll definitely do pumpkins next year. Let us know who's the best face paint and best pumpkin down below. Comment. And we'll see you next week. Thanks very much for watching. Give us a big like and bash the
subscribe button.
Subscribe button.
You say next week.
Uh-huh.
I think we're actually putting one up tomorrow.
Alright, sorry, we're going to put up one tomorrow. What are we putting up?
Our travel day for Blackpool.
Oh aye, we went to Blackpool.
We went to Blackpool a few weeks ago. We've got a few of the videos sitting there.
Yeah.
So we'll put one up tomorrow. So tune back in tomorrow and we'll pop that up.
You get to see it. Thanks to everybody that's subscribing. Our subscribers are slowly going up, which is brilliant. Thank you very much.
We love chatting to you. So many people are just reaching out, and I just love that.
We got some people talking about what they were going to dress up as for Glasgow.
Yeah.
So we like to hear what you guys are doing. If you just leave us a comment and all that, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. It's been brilliant. So we hope you have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you tomorrow, as Natalie said.
Bye.
Bye bye.